So anyway, we have got three beautiful topics. The first one is sports. Okay. Do you have a paper, pen, pencil, something next to you? Because I'm going to
Yes,
give you a small activity.
yes. And I have completed my homework as well.
Okay, what is that? Okay, let's discuss that first. That's very important.
Yes,
Homework.
for me, two words, smart and fear, and you had asked to use it
Connect.
together, connect it in a sentence. So I
Yes.
couldn't write a paragraph, but I wrote a few sentences.
Good. Please read it for me.
Smart and fear, two things. To think about both the things in a same situation, it's a bit weird for me. But however, I have written few lines. When a teenager or a small kid get frightened to take an injection in the hospital, we smartly, very smartly, we say nothing. Nothing. It will happen. It's just like an ant bite, nothing else. But
Mhm.
same thing when it come to us, we get frightened or we have a little fear in our mind.
Yes. Very true.
Another one, we Indians, when we get our daughters married to a stranger, generally we get our daughters married to strangers because she, sh that this person is unknown for her, this family or that person.
Hmm.
And we know first time she is going to separate from us. We have fear in our mind, but smartly we say, you are getting a new family, new home, new relations. These people are very nice, loving and caring. In spite of we are
Okay.
having fear that how she will adjust in a new family, or how these people will treat her. So we
Okay.
just smartly try to manipulate the situation.
Okay.
And the same girl faces problems at her in-laws place, and we ask, how are you, is everything all right? Though she has fear in her mind, if in-laws she has a fear of her in-laws in her mind, or they demand something, or their behavior is not good.
Mm.
Here with uh, fear of those people in her mind, she smartly answer her parents, no, everything is all right. She just think that my parents will be worried about me, so why to tell them?
She'll try to
And
convince. She'll try to convince and
yes,
also pretend a bit, saying that everything is fine. Okay.
and when we finish writing an important exam and we come home, and our parents ask in front of others, how was your exam? We know that it wasn't good, and it was an important exam of our life. And we have fear that after result everybody will come to know that what has happened. In spite of that, some people answer smartly, yeah, everything was okay, it was easy.
Okay.
Kind of
Okay.
thing. One more, film stars. uh, Film stars, when promote their work, their movies confidently or smartly, they say it is a different movie or it is a different role from I have ever done. So you watch it, and it's really very nice, and when we see nothing changed, so they have that fear in their mind, but they pretend, or they speak confidently, and they just try to tackle the situation smartly, in
Mm-hmm.
spite of they have that fear that what if movie get flop.
Okay.
So these were my sentences.
So one thing is, okay, I'll just give you the feedback, okay? Putting together everything. The first thing is very good observation, close observation, not just observation. You observe uh, everything in and out, and nobody will think so much and write about these things because daughter getting married, child taking an injection, then also all these things, film stars, these are things that we see every day, but still we'll not put it here. So, smartness, fear, confidence, everything, and you've given brilliant examples. Okay, that's really good of you. One thing. Second thing is the way you have put it also, like you made it very clear. You also gave explanation with details. This is why I'm telling that there's fear and smartness and confidence, though it is like that. That's great. Coming to grammatical errors, okay. So yes, telling I'm fine is like a cliched statement. See, even now we know that at least we're alerted that the third wave is coming up. Yes, definitely. Be prepared. Just be prepared, and you can definitely avoid it. But still, when people ask how is everything, even in Russia or USA where cases are really going up every day, when you ask them how are you, the first statement is yeah, I'm fine, I'm okay when things are not okay. So that is
Yes.
correct that you pointed out rightly. Now, first thing is teenagers get frightened. So when teenagers get frightened is correct, but when you say when a teenager gets frightened, so
Yes.
singular subject means it's gets. You have to put gets, and when it's
Yes.
plural, it's get.
Get.
Okay, that's it. Then have a little fear. They have fear or they have bit of fear,
Okay.
not a little fear. I think that sentence was not correct. Then first time she's gonna getting separate from them. So it is the first time that she's going to stay away from her parents or she's going to stay separated from her parents because that sentence construction could have been better.
Okay.
Okay? Then in spite of they have fear, in spite of the fact that they have got fear in their mind, they promote confidently saying that you will find something different in this film. There is more of confidence because it's their career and also it's pressure saying that everything is different and it's going to be a blockbuster film, things like that, like how we also do, everything is a blockbuster. Even before things, even before you start a project, you say it's going to be a hit. However flop it is, we will say it's a hit, it's a hit, it's good, or whatever we do, it's a cliche thing. Okay, good, very well put. Okay, only thing is singular, plural, and maybe sentence construction. That's all. Minute mistakes. Okay, now I'm going to give you an activity putting all these things together. You can
Paper.
have your pencil. Yeah, yeah, sure. I'm going to give you some words, and you have to make a situation or you can make a story.
Okay.
Okay, so you will have idioms also from today's topic.
Sure.
These are simple idioms. If you don't know the meaning, you can ask me. So I'll start with the words first. The first word is, you can change the forms of the words, no
Commit.
problem. Commit,
Inspire. Famous.
okay.
Give it your best shot.
Give it your best shot. Then,
Success.
okay, let me see one more.
Drive.
Drive is not just driving that drive, but the drive. Okay. So now you're going to make a story or a situation, or you can even make a thought. I think thought you will do easily. For a person like you will do easily, philosophical person. Let it be story or situation. Okay. So
Okay.
connecting these things, you're going to make a situation or story. You can take your time and tell me when you're ready.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready? Okay, that's quick. How
Hmm.
did you find the task? Was it easy to connect everything?
It's not easy. It made me think it's challenging.
Okay, fine. So let's hear. Let's listen to your connection, connecting the dots.
I haven't think about grammar and all. I just try to write things.
Okay, so if you have written down points, you can improvise when you're
Yes.
speaking. Yeah.
I have a drive to do something significant in my life, and I've committed myself that I'm not going to waste my life by just eating, sleeping, and living lavish life. I don't want to be I don't want to famous but definitely I want to be inspiration of people around me. I want to be inspiration people around me.
I want to
Success
be an inspiration. Yeah.
and inspiration people around me. Success
Mhm.
will come or not, or it will take time. It may come slow or as time passes. But I will give my best shot. I will do something good with my life.
Great. Very good. That was really nice. You connected all the words: inspire, commit, and give it your best shot. And you wrote about yourself. So, just one thing: I don't want to famous. No, I don't want to become famous.
Okay, I don't want to become
Become
famous.
famous, or I don't want to be famous. Simple.
To be or become. Okay.
Yeah, both are fine. Okay. So, sports, very important. Okay. Do you like sports? Do you play games? Let's start from you.
Before I would, but nowadays it's not possible for me.
Okay. Would you like to play if you get time?
Yes, of course.
What game? What sport?
Not heavy things, but at least tennis.
Tennis. Okay, good. That's great.
I can
Okay.
get exercise and amusement as well.
Yes. So who's your famous sports star?
Tanya Mirza.
Okay. Why do you like her? Give me two, three reasons. Like one thing is not just because she's a sports star as a woman, as what she has done for the public, or as a personality. So all these things you can put together.
She has guts to face community. She is a Muslim person, and she had a lot of problems in her life. Means in Muslim culture, it's compulsory, mandatory to wear that hijab and all.
Yeah.
But she don't. She wear many mini skirts, and Muslim people they had announced few things, but I cannot put it in word. But it was
Okay.
not a very good thing. So she
Okay.
faced all those things, and she continued playing for India. She didn't means gave up on her
She didn't give up.
dream.
Give up. Yeah.
She didn't give up on her dream, and
Yes.
it needs courage to face whole community.
Yes, it needs courage to stand against and also to face the community. That's great.
Yes, that's
Okay,
why I
so
like
she
her.
also had that drive, and also, as you said, she was determined. Whatever
Determined
happens, I'm determined to play. I will play for my country. Okay.
country. Yes.
And one more thing is there were a lot of people who got attracted to her in one way. Another way is that is fine. Another way is there were a lot of people on the other hand who predicted that, oh, she will not be so and so, or she's not going to do so and so things. But I can see that she's leading a very good life now.
Yes.
And she's a family person at the same time. She's doing a lot of things for the
Yes.
people around, teaching students. There are so many things happening, right? So that is great. Okay. Um,
Profession and personal.
Profession and personal. So when it comes to the normal profession, okay, when you look at men, women, whatever, whichever gender it is not very easy to balance both professional life and personal life. It's
Yes,
quite difficult.
absolutely.
So when it comes to a sports star, what are some of the challenges that they face? Sports star.
Sports star and all stars, I think it's really difficult for them to maintain that personal life and professional life. I feel pity for them. We can go on a pani puri,
we,
everything.
we
We
can go
can
to
go
the
and
casual. Yeah, you can be very casual in your life. Yes.
casual. We can
Yeah.
roam freely for shopping. They can't. They'll have to go to another country. And maybe somebody come to know again, they'll ask for selfie and all. I've seen some videos when people arrive on airport, they don't let them walk properly.
Okay.
They'll they'll go in between and they'll ask for selfie, or they meet them enthusiastically. So I think
Okay.
for uh, for sometimes, or for once in a while it's okay, but every day they are living same life. I don't think it's exciting way of living. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay,
it's
so this is
difficult
a
for
very
them.
important situation. It's a very important situation. So before that, I'll just correct you. When they arrive on the airport, when they arrive at the airport, at the airport.
At the airport.
Yes, okay. So that is one thing. So this is a very important situation. So who makes life tough for them? Is it their well-wishers, their fans, or who actually makes it tough for them? Because
I think
sometimes the
both
people
the
say it's
things
a,
are there.
both.
Both the things
Okay.
are there.
Okay.
Initially, they want to be famous, they want attention of people, but once they get habitual of it, they may get irritated. First, they
Yes.
themselves are, they want all those things in their life. And second, their fans and all who follow them or who admire them, like them, these people, they make their life miserable.
Okay. Okay. So can you think of a sports star, any sports star or any person who is really famous, who was ahead of game? Game in the sense it's not just sports, it's any skill. Who was ahead of the game, but maybe because of carelessness, they could not go forward. You can even think of a normal person from your knowledge who was really brilliant, and maybe because of carelessness or maybe because of some destiny, as they call it, they were not able to reach that point of success.
I think I had read a story about Michael Phelps. He's
Okay.
American swimmer, and he won eighth gold medal in one Olympic. And after that, he started taking drugs or something, and he caught in that
Okay.
case. So I
He got
think
caught.
he could go far ahead from
He
he
could have
was.
gone. Yes.
He
Yeah.
could have gone, but
Okay.
because of his bad company or maybe his own mistake, he couldn't reach there. He was in prison and that kind of stuff.
Okay. So this is also very important because so many people's lives, especially sports stars, it has got affected. Many of them, there are a lot of examples, drugs and other things, company especially, that they choose. So, from your thoughts, Shahin, what do you think? Is it because there's a pressure on them to perform or to give their best shot? Is that the reason why they're taking the drugs, or are they compelled to do it? Or is it because of their choice? Why does such things happen even when they know that it's not fair, it's not correct, and they can really get caught, they can get trapped?
Um, I think it's not a pressure. Nobody told them to do this. It's their own
Okay.
expectation. I want to be better. Again, means they want to achieve more and more. It's their own decision. Nobody compile them or
Compels, yeah, compels, yeah.
compels. It's
Mm.
their own decision. Again, if they want to give their best shots, is shot. It's their own decision. So it's not necessary that to give their best shot they'll take help of that kind of things. It's unethical. So maybe
Okay.
once a person get famous, he or she earn too much money, or if they
Mhm.
are in bad company,
Mhm.
maybe due to their bad company it happens.
Okay. So once a person gets famous, the same
Get
mistake
famous.
gets famous. Okay, that's correct what you told. Okay, more or less makes sense. The next word is
Success.
so success. So you said reaching that point of success, it's not necessary that you have to undergo pressure or even say a yes to pressure, right?
Someone can say enough, I have achieved that level, it's enough.
Yes,
I'll come
yes,
back and
yes.
I'll give someone else chance to reach that level.
Okay. So then what is success when it comes to a sports star? When you define it or when you tell it, put it in words, what is actually success? So winning accolades is always there for a sports star or any celebrity. I want to go, I want to get the award, state award, national award, then of course Oscar is the dream. So like that, what is success then when it comes to a celebrity
I
or a
think
sports star?
I think success definition of success is not same for all. It's depend on our own thought,
Okay.
then imaginations, what we think. Someone can think that okay, I'm getting 4 or 5 films in a year.
Mm-hmm.
and I'm earning good money, a lavish lifestyle, it's a success for
Okay.
me. Or
Okay.
someone can think that I want more than 10 films in a year, or I want at least one blockbuster, then it's a
Or
hit.
work for 10 films in a month also. Go to that set, go to this set. Yeah, they do that. Four
And
sets
if
in a day. They
someone
go mad. Yeah.
yes,
Go
and
on,
if
please go on.
someone
Yeah.
want to be on number one for many years, maybe it's, or one can think for 1 or 2 years I was on number one, it's enough, I have completed or I have fulfilled my dream, now let go another person.
Okay.
So it's depend on us.
So it's like one thing is you should have a dream, you should have some goals also. At
Yes,
the same time, you shouldn't be ambitious, because ambition is sometimes a negative word where you're over ambitious and you want everything. Greediness combined with ambition.
and
Aspiration.
I've
Yeah.
seen especially female film stars, they got married on the peak of their career. So I think they thought that it's enough, now I want to get married and settled in life. So
Okay.
they thought, they may thought that that much success is enough for me.
Okay. Okay. So just a few corrections. One is it's depend on,
It
it
depends
depends
on.
on.
Yes,
Yes. Then imagination, no plural form for that. It's actually imagination, not imaginations, imagination.
imagination. Yes.
Female stars, they got married. They usually get married at the peak
Mhm.
of their career, and they must have thought, or they would have thought. Okay, put it that way. Not they thought, they would have
Okay.
thought. They get married because it is habitual. It happens always with most of the good film stars at the peak of the career. And problems come when they are not able to balance both, or
Yes.
when there's no understanding between the life partner and the celebrity or whatever it is. Okay,
Yes.
so that is success.